Google just dropped a massive shockwave at I/O 2026, and it confirms one terrifying reality. The era of the casual chatbot is officially dead. Google is currently processing over 3.2 quadrillion tokens a month, driven by a mainstream explosion of nearly a billion active users. But it's the secret infrastructure and unreleased consumer agents they just unveiled that change everything. Here is exactly what went down. First out of the gate is Gemini 3.5 Flash. This is no longer a budget option, it is actively punching way above its weight class. On major coding and reasoning benchmarks, 3.5 Flash is matching and sometimes beating flagship models like OpenAI's GPT 5.5 and Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.7. But here is the kicker. It's doing it at 4 times the output speed, pushing close to 280 tokens per second. Sundar Pichai revealed that enterprise companies shifting their workloads to 3.5 Flash will save over $1 billion annually. But the real mind-bending upgrade is Gemini Omni Flash, what Google is calling a true world model and a pivotal step toward artificial general intelligence. Unlike standard video generators that just stitch flat pixels together, Omni is natively multimodal across text, audio, images, and videos simultaneously. It actually understands real-world physics. In their demos, a marble rolling down a track follows gravity flawlessly, and characters stay perfectly consistent across iterative edits through natural conversation. While raw speed and video physics are impressive, the real consumer threat is Gemini Spark. This is a 24/7 personal AI agent that runs continuously on dedicated virtual machines in Google Cloud. Spark doesn't wait around for you to type a prompt. It operates silently in the background of your digital life, scanning your emails, managing your calendar, handling follow-ups, and building custom interactive dashboards in Google Search. It integrates natively with the Google ecosystem first, but it's already connecting to over 30 third-party platforms like Adobe, Dropbox, and Uber. By this summer, Spark will operate directly inside Chrome, effectively turning your browser into an autonomous agentic engine that surfs the web and executes multi-step tasks while you sleep. Behind the consumer features lies the massive developer infrastructure Google is using to monopolize the ecosystem. They unveiled Anti-Gravity 2.0, expanding it from a basic coding environment into a powerhouse desktop application designed to build and manage autonomous AI agents. To power this, Google engineered a specialized version of Flash for anti-gravity that runs an insane 12 times faster than other frontier models. They are backing this up by scaling training seamlessly across more than 1 million 8th-generation TPUs globally, allowing them to train massive models in weeks instead of months. For developers, the implications are wild. Android Studio now features a migration agent that can automatically rewrite app code into a native Kotlin Android app, regardless of whether your source code is React Native, a web framework, or even iOS, turning weeks of manual labor into just hours. From 24/7 background agents like Spark to smart audio glasses launching this fall with Warby Parker, Google is clearly building a world where you don't use AI, you live inside it. The infrastructure spend tells the whole story. Google's capital expenditure skyrocketed from $31 billion a few years ago to an estimated $190 billion this year. They are spending whatever it takes to own your morning routine. The tech landscape is shifting faster than the algorithm can keep up. Hit that subscribe button so you don't get left behind in the agentic era. I'll see you in the next story.